Hello Des Moines, you wanna run blades on BadUpdate? Well, you're in luck. First you'll need Xenon and Shackle. Then open the Proto folder and the USB stick. Make a folder named Proto and drop the two Proto files in. Then drag both JTAG to .xex and xbdm.xex in the root of the USB. Then open launch.ini. Drop this folder into the root of the USB. Type in what I typed. Good. Scroll down until you find this. Put both JTAG and xbdm in just how I have it. Put in slot 2 what I typed. Save it. Unplug the USB and put it in the Xbox. Load BadUpdate. You'll now see Xenon and Shackle. Hit the back button. Go to XEX menu. Make a new folder by hitting the Y button and click Create. Now copy the files from the USB. Close XEX menu and reboot the Xbox and run BadUpdate again. And it works.